Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to talk about the hardware and software requirements for this project. Let's start with the hardware requirements. You need an ESP32 board and you will need USB cable to connect the board to your computer. You will also need a motion detector sensor and LM32 temperature sensor. This one is for digital reading and this one is for analog readings. You will also need jumper wires to connect these, and we recommend using a breadboard to connect different elements together. Now regarding the software requirements, you will need Arduino IDE, you will need FreeZing for circuit design, and we will explain how to download and install this software. You will also need to download and install few more libraries, and we will explain how to download and install them and make sure that they work effectively. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.